Hello, everybody.
Hey, Bhuvan.
How's it going?
Hello, bhai.
Good. Welcome, Boman bhai.
I thank you. Thank you very much.
Bhuvan bhai.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Roman bhai, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Lovely seeing all of you.
Same here, sir. Same here.
Yeah, please, Boman bhai.
How's things in your own areas?
K West is pretty bad actually. Jew scheme, a lot of cases here, but otherwise things are peaceful.
How's your area?
So Bandra is pretty okay, actually.
Hmm.
But after
Surprisingly.
after that whole 3,000 people.
No, that was well, that was actually an eye opener, and I think Mr. Aditya Thackeray himself made a statement that basically these people want to go back home. It's not about money. It's not about food or money or anything like that. I mean, it's a reality, right? People will want to go back to their homes when they
True.
feel worried or scared or anything like that. Okay, before we start, very quickly, how would you like me to speak, in Hindi or English? Or a little bit of both?
I think a little bit of both.
Both.
Okay. Any particular
English.
subjects?
English, as they say.
English. I'll try English. All right. And any, my president was also looking at me very intently. President, you heard everything we had to tell each other.
Hi, Boman.
Hi, Nayan. Kem je?
Nayan has the habit of always
Mast
looking
hai
at.
ekdam.
Nayan has the habit of always looking intently at the other guy.
But Nayan, why aren't you on that call where Mr. Nitin Karir is speaking?
I'm there. Dr. Karir has not yet come.
Oh, okay. All right. Please make a note and tell us also all what all he says.
Yeah, whatever he says, because the laptop is on. If I learn something, I'll intervene and tell you if there's some breaking news.
Superb.
That would be great, sir. That would be great.
Shall we begin?
Pass that news
guys?
on this webinar. Yes, sir, we shall begin. I think Ritesh, we shall begin.
Yeah. We are ready to go. Good evening, everybody. I'll welcome you, everybody. Welcome everyone. I'll hand over mic to Mr. Harish Jain for welcome speech. Harish bhai, please.
Thank you, Ritesh bhai. On behalf of Brand Mumbai Developer Association, prominently known as BDA, I would like to welcome everyone present over here. Wholehearted and a warm welcome. Especially, I'm very pleased to welcome our key guest speaker today, Shri Boman Rustam Irani, who is going to give us today some of his experiences and highlights. It's really very amazing to see you all guys on this webinar, looking at such huge numbers of registration today. I feel BDA needs no introduction anymore. Having given a chance to speak today, in a brief, I would just let you know, BDA in short span of like 9 to 10 months has become a voice of all the developers, be it big or small, in city of Mumbai. BDA is majorly concentrating on issues faced by redevelopers in eastern, western suburbs and city of Mumbai. I'm extremely pleased for today's seminar, as we have along with us Shri Boman Rustam Irani, Chairman and Managing Director of Rustamji Group, who would throw light on various topics as well as share his personal experience about being resilient, how to withhold the pressure and how to overcome the current situation today which we all are facing, today which we all are going through. I strongly believe deep problems do help us in coming out with new ways, new avenues, new solutions to build up a new strategies to make it a good place to live in as far as real estate is concerned. And I would rather ask everyone to take this difficult time as an opportunity to make out of it, and we can together make a difference to this real estate industry. So I would like to end here saying that let all of us jointly together fight the situation, help the real estate industry come out of this, and would like our key guest speaker to help the real estate associations as well as the redevelopers in any association, in whatever way he could help us out to come out of the problems of developers also. I'd also like to welcome MCHI President, Shri Nayan Shah, who is on the panel today. So I would end here.
Thank you so much. Now I would like Digan Parekh to take up introduction of Bamanji. Digan bhai.
Digant, unmute, please. Unmute.
Sorry. I'm unmute only. Hello. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So our topic for discussion today is the art of remaining resilient. It's a question that is on everyone's mind today. And what is it going to take to ride safely in the COVID-19 crisis, especially for real estate, which has seen so many such crises in the past? To my mind, to answer these queries, we could have not asked for anyone better than our today's guest speaker, Mr. Baman Irani. Just to give you a brief, I know he needs no introduction, but Mr. Baman Irani is the chairman and managing director of Rustomjee Group. He's the driving force behind the real estate brand Rustomjee. He's a first generation businessman with a 24-year experience in real estate.
I'm going to be on my webinar.
He founded Rustomjee Group in '96. The group has currently 22 million square feet of planned development in the pipeline. It's already completed 16.6 million square feet of projects. Another 10.9 million of ongoing projects are on across best locations of MMR. Mr. Baman Irani is also the vice president of CREDAI, which is a national body of 11,500 real estate developers across India. He's in the past worked closely with the government on and policymakers. He's also the vice president of Maharashtra Chamber of Housing Industry, MCHI, which has around 1,000 members in the Mumbai and the MMR region. He's also the founder and chief benefactor of Rustom Irani Foundation, which runs preschool to post-graduation with a capacity of more than 12,000 students. There are two very dear things that he holds sacred. One is that he wants homes for all and making education a priority. In the career spanning 24 years, he has witnessed many such challenging times and he's emerged victorious every single time. Today we call him so that we can share his mantra on staying resilient. I'm happy to present Mr. Baman Irani. Not only is he a businessman par excellence, someone I idolize, he's my real estate hero. So thank you, Baman Bhai, for coming on this webinar. Over to you.
So thank you very much. First of all, I want to say that it is always a pleasure to share points of view, but whatever I say should only be taken from the point of view that these are my experiences, not yours. Each one has his own different path to go ahead. सबकी खुद की एक स्टाइल होती है, सबकी खुद की एक स्ट्रेंथ होती है. आप आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स पे काम कीजिए. मेरी जितनी बातें हैं उसको आप एक गाइडेंस की तरह अगर लेना चाहें तो ले लीजिए, या तो उसमें से जो आपको पसंद आए वो ले लीजिए. मेरी सारी बातें सही आपके लिए हो ना हो, मैं सिर्फ अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस बता सकता हूं. पहली बात तो ये है कि 14th April 1996 I got into this business. और तब मैं जितना जानता था रियल एस्टेट के बारे में, मुझे लगता है आज वही माइंडसेट लेके मुझे आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा. What I mean to say is that when I got into this business, I knew very little. I was hungry for knowledge. And I think this geopolitical event called coronavirus or COVID-19 should make us all go back to that same hungry mindset, go back to that same humility that we know nothing. Kyunki iske aage, besides, everyone saying my business is safe, actually, I would say there's a change in the world. Okay. Everything that I can think of today will not be true tomorrow. And maybe if this, just before this, I was on another call where there were a couple of, how do I say this, people fairly well entrenched in ways of the world. And there were all kinds of theories floating around, but there was no clear direction. किसी के पास भी एक direction नहीं था कि ये होने वाला है. मैं तो कहूँगा कि if we are, what do you call, just able to understand this, मैं कह सकता हूँ with all honesty, ना तो आपके astrologer को मालूम है, ना तो आपके lawyers को मालूम है, ना तो हमें भी उतना मालूम है. बस हम ये कह सकते हैं कि हम साथ में एक संघर्ष, एक प्रयास कर सकते हैं. हाँ, ये important है कि हम we stay positive, क्योंकि ये कहते हैं कि whenever जो भी आप सोचो वो आपके लिए सही हो जाता है. People can always attract the right things that they are thinking about. तो आप सक्सेस के बारे में सोचो तो आपको सक्सेस मिलेगा, आप पेन के बारे में सोचो तो आपको पेन मिलेगा. With that, these are just the opening remarks for what I think is the way forward in life. I have no particular gyan to offer you, except my own personal experiences. Ab, pehle to I will say one of the good things that have happened because of this entire COVID-19 is that so many of us have come together. For the first time, our problems are all alike. Nahi to what was good for Mr. Mehta was not good for Mr. Shah or likewise. But today, all of us are faced with more or less, largely, the same directional problem. And towards that, we have all come together. And towards that, we will all work together. You have Nayan Shah on this call. He's my president at CREDAI MCHI. एक बात मैं आपको with all honesty कहना चाहता हूँ. I tip my hat to this man. Ever since we have gone on Bandh, I think this man has worked harder. He has worked continuously. He has really lived his role as the president of the organization, representing us, speaking fearlessly. मैं आपको, I repeat these words, ये easy नहीं है. जब कोई बड़े लोग आपके सामने बैठे हों तो हम सबको एक आदत पड़ जाती है कि we try to be very soft, very nice, very humble. इन्होंने एकदम fearlessly अपनी बात सामने रखी है. Not only on the calls, but मैंने उनके कुछ messages भी पढ़े which he sent across to certain, leaders of our state. And I think he has been absolutely true to his role of being fearless and saying what he thought was important for his members. So there is a lesson in that for all of us. This is not the time for us to unnecessarily, we have to be civil, yes. We have to be soft in our approach, yes. We cannot just start screaming and shouting, yes. But if we say anything, any one of us, to please the other person only, please understand, आप अपने आप को और आपके सारे साथियों को एक बहुत बड़ा धोखा दे रहे हैं. You have to be as clear, as precise. आपको पेन है वो आपकी अकेले की पेन नहीं है, ये पूरे इंडस्ट्री की पेन है. और ये इंडस्ट्री की पेन आपको एक होके, सबके साथ एक होके, वही भाषा. We have been very, very careful whether it is CREDAI National, CREDAI MCHI. मैं आप लोगों को भी कहूंगा, follow the, क्योंकि क्या होता है, आप कुछ कहोगे, मैं कुछ कहूंगा, कोई और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कुछ और कहेगी, तो हमारे जितने लॉ मेकर्स हैं या पीपल इन पोजीशंस ऑफ पावर हैं, ये कंफ्यूज हो सकते हैं. ये शायद इसको मिस अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. और मेरी ये इच्छा नहीं है कि कोई हमारी आज की परिस्थिति मिसअंडरस्टैंड कर सके. अगर ये आप एक लाइन ऑफ थिंकिंग आप गुजराती में कहिए, कोई मराठी में कहेगा, मैं शायद इंग्लिश में उनको कहूंगा. But the point is, if all of us say the same message time and again to everybody, not only those that are sitting in power today, but those that were sitting in power yesterday, every one of us, आपके 500 plus member है, मैं आपको confidence के साथ कह सकता हूँ, 500 of you all would have a reach to every MP in Mumbai, every MLA in Mumbai, every ex-MLA in Mumbai, every person in the corridors of power, I say the same language again and again and again and again. One of the first things we can do for each one of us, हम सब हमारे लिए एक चीज कर सकते हैं कि we need to be absolutely clear about our message. पहले तो आप अपना मैसेज खुद समझिए, आपकी छोटी छोटी उसमें जो नुक्स होंगी उसे अभी के लिए साइड में रखिए, मेन इश्यूज को हाईलाइट करते रहिए. आप जितनी बार इसको हाईलाइट करेंगे उतनी बार ये इन अ वे, वो कहते हैं ना, पत्थर पहले इससे नहीं टूटता, बट दैट डज नॉट मीन द फर्स्ट हैमर का हिट इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट. और आप मारते रहो, बस वही पॉइंट को घड़ी घड़ी आप बताते रहो. तो मैं समझता हूं देयर इज नो बेटर टाइम देन टुडे. आपको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है? देयर इज नो बेटर टाइम देन टुडे टू गेट आवर पॉइंट अक्रॉस. हम बहुत, I think since 2012 Mumbai has been having one issue or the other, but ये शायद वो वक्त है जो ये पूरी आपकी फेवर में लोग एटलीस्ट सुनने को तैयार हैं. एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड्स प्रॉब्लम है, और जब लोग समझते हैं प्रॉब्लम, ये सिर्फ रियल एस्टेट की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ऑटो में भी प्रॉब्लम है, बाकी सारे फूड इंडस्ट्रीज में भी प्रॉब्लम है, बट एवरीबडी इज नाउ लिटिल मोर रिसेप्टिव, जैसे कहते हैं, एवरीबडी इज लिटिल मोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. कल तक शायद जब हम जाके उनको हमारी बात बताते थे, they used to think that ये बिल्डर है, ये तो ऐसे ही आके बोलेगा. But today I feel everybody understands that there is overall pain. So this is my how do I say this? My one piece of guidelines for all of us. हम सब collaborate हुए हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. We have all come together is a very big thing. हम सब कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. शायद आज वक्त ये है गवर्नमेंट को, मैं तो कहता हूँ गवर्नमेंट को भी छोड़ो, मैं समझता हूं आज ये वक्त है कि हम सब जो भी अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं वो करते रहें. हाँ, मैं इतना जरूर कहूंगा, आपके अच्छे काम के बारे में आप एक छोटा सा स्निपेट बनाइए. यू गो अहेड एंड मेक सम काइंड ऑफ अ रिकॉर्ड ऑफ ऑल द गुड वर्क यू आर डूइंग. नॉट बिकॉज हमारी ये शौक है कि हम सबको बताना चाहते हैं हमने ये अच्छा काम किया है, बट बिकॉज व्हेन द गवर्नमेंट हैज टू बी प्रपोज्ड एनी काइंड ऑफ थिंग, they should know that the real estate fraternity has come together and done more good work, especially for the city of Mumbai and MMR region, more than any other industry has done, more than any other fraternity has done. और ये बताने के लिए हमारे पास जो धोर सबूत, एक सबूत होना चाहिए, वो सबूत के दौरे पे आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू, आप लोग सब ये कलेक्ट करो. बट तब तक के लिए ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ओनली ऑन द ग्राउंड्स ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी, मैं आपको कहूंगा आप जितना करते हो उससे थोड़ा और करो, थोड़ा ज्यादा करो. ज्यादा करके जो गरीब हमारे लोग हैं उनके लिए आप जितना भी कर सकते हो, हमारे वर्कर्स जो हैं उनके जितना कर सकते हो, ये वक्त है कि उनके लिए ये सब करना हमारे लिए जरूरी है. एक मिनट, ये वो वक्त है जब हमको वी हैव टू डू व्हाट इज राइट. मैं तो कहूंगा एट ऑल पॉइंट्स ऑफ टाइम इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू डू व्हाट इज राइट, बट टुडे मोर देन एवर is the time to do what is the right thing. हमारे पास कितनी भी प्रॉब्लम हो, गरीब जो भूखा है उससे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हमारे पास कोई नहीं है. जिसके पास आज कोई छत नहीं है उससे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हमारे पास आज कोई नहीं है. भले हमारे पास बैंक्स का डेट हो, भले हमारे पास कमिटमेंट्स ऑफ हैंडओवर के हो, ये सारी प्रॉब्लम मैं मानता हूं सुलझाई जाएगी. और इसके लिए मैं आपको एक द चेन थियरी समझाता हूं. आज हम बैंक्स के पास जाते हैं और आपने देखा होगा लास्ट फ्यू डेज सम ऑफ यू ऑल मस्ट हैव गॉन टू द बैंक्स. आप बैंक को कहते हो भाई साहब ये करके दो, वो करके दो, बोलते नहीं हम क्या करें, आरबीआई. फिर वी ट्राई टू रीच आउट फर्दर, आरबीआई से हम क्या करें, गवर्नमेंट. वी ट्राई टू रीच आउट टू गवर्नमेंट, दे से रुको देखते हैं. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज, ये सब होने के बावजूद और ये सब होने से हमारे में भी एक ऐसा आ जाता है, somebody comes and tells us देखो मुझे प्रॉब्लम है, हम बोल देते हैं हम क्या करें, गवर्नमेंट हमारी तरफ देखता ही नहीं है. तो ये जो सर्कल है, ये साइकिल है, इसको एक बार तोड़ना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू कंटिन्यू डूइंग व्हाट इज राइट. और हमारे पास अगर कोई आदमी आता है उसकी कोई तकलीफ लेके, मैं तो कहता हूं आप कुछ कर पाओ या ना कर पाओ, एक बार उसको प्यार से सुन तो लो, उसे इतना आश्वासन जरूर दीजिए कि भैया आई एम देयर. आज शायद मैं आपकी मदद नहीं कर सकता, बट आई एम विथ यू, आई अंडरस्टैंड योर प्रॉब्लम, और मैं कहीं ना कहीं इसका सुलझाव लाने की पूरी कोशिश करूंगा. और मैं कहता हूं नॉट ओनली से इट, मीन इट, feel it, want to do it, and I'm telling you, if we are the first step in this direction to do the right thing, मैं मानता हूं हमारे आगे जितने steps आएंगे वो भी right, ये सारे लोग right करेंगे. और मैं तो कहता हूं अगर नहीं करे तो छोड़ दो यार, हमने तो right किया. These people who we do the right thing to or who we just listen to will become our biggest brand ambassadors. I also want to tell you, builders जो है उनको लोग काफी ताकतवर मानते हैं. We know what our condition is, but everybody in the city or in all fraternity feel that builder है तो ये कुछ ना कुछ करके काम करा देगा. बस जो छोटी छोटी बात हम कर सकते हैं वो तो करो. शायद वो जो एक फीलिंग है लोगों की वो और स्ट्रांग हो जाए. And sometimes they say perception is reality. आप जितना अच्छा करते रहोगे, people will feel you're that much stronger, and शायद you will in the minds of people, and by virtue of being in the minds of people, actually become stronger somewhere or in some way. So I would say we all need to do the right things. Now coming to more basic stuff, but उसके पहले मैं आपको एक कहानी कहूँगा. I had a friend, philosopher and guide, Mr. Ghulam Noon. He passed away a few years back. उन्होंने मुझे एक कहानी, means he told me his life story, जो मैं आपको short में बताता हूँ. Mr. Ghulam Noon moved from India to London somewhere in the 1940s, late 40s or 50s, and he set up a small, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, sweets की दुकान, Royal Sweets. Royal Sweets करते करते उनको ऐसे लगा कि खाने पीने का बिजनेस जो है, Indian food is very very liked by all these Britishers, तो उन्होंने एक फूड की फैक्ट्री लगानी चाहिए. So he obviously did not have much money, so he borrowed money from everybody, और उन्होंने एकदम एक आलीशान फैक्ट्री बनाई. टिपिकल हिंदी फिल्म स्टाइल में फैक्ट्री की पहली रात को वो पूरी फैक्ट्री जल गई. फुल फैक्ट्री गॉट बर्न्ड. इट केम टू द ग्राउंड एज जीरो. तब इंश्योरेंस शायद इतनी बड़ी चीज नहीं थी, बट मिस्टर गुलाम नून लैंडेड अप एट द साइट ऑफ द फैक्ट्री ऑन द फॉलोइंग मॉर्निंग, जब वो आग लगी थी, और उन्होंने वहां पे एक बड़ा बोर्ड लगा दिया, फैक्ट्री जल गई है, मैं जला नहीं हूं, ये फैक्ट्री वापस यहीं पे खड़ी होगी, जिससे मैंने पैसा लिया उसको सूद समेत वापस करूंगा, and every one of you sit comfortably. मैं ये इसलिए कहता हूं आपको, because the same people who must have given him, let's say 100,000 pounds initially, came back with another 100,000 pounds and said, बस ये जो आपने हमें भरोसा दिया है, this is what people look for. And like it or not friends, हमारे fraternity में बहुत सारे ऐसे किस्से हमने सुने हैं जहां पे builders have not done the right thing. और मैं कहता हूं, I believe in the laws of karma. In our lifetime, we will see all the good and the bad that we do. It is time now, if it was never before, to do the right things. And I think we will all come through stronger. Or finally, when you start thinking right, when you only think what is right and stop thinking of what is wrong, I think you become better as a person. People start accepting you a lot easily. What you say, what you feel gets communicated a lot more, and people have more faith to do business with you. They say in business, it is not always the smartest man who survives. It is the man who people want to do business with who survives. यानी अगर मैं आपके साथ comfortable हूँ business करने में, तो मुझे 2 पैसे कम मिले, my money is safe with you. मैं जानता हूँ आपकी नियत अच्छी है, तो I will come and do business with you. I will not go and do business जहाँ पे शायद मुझे सट्टा बाजार शायद मैं तो जिंदगी में नहीं करूँ. अब मैं आपको कहूँगा with regards to your own people, हमारे लोग हैं. I mean, we run a larger company. I don't know the names of every person that I employ or who works with us, but I make it a point to talk to these people through this time that has gone by. And I also make it a point to talk to these people at all points of time. Even when the company is, when we were in full flow, every 45 days or 60 days, I used to kind of, just extempo start speaking to people and telling them the key issues that face the company, the key issues that are in the market, the key issues that could possibly affect us. The reason was, वो अफवाह जो होती है, rumors, they spread very fast. So we've had our tough times, and when we had our tough times, a lot of people were getting a lot of rumors. And I said, ये rumors को quell करने के लिए एक ही सही तरीका है, come in front of the people and tell them the actual fact. And I have seen, it is my personal experience, that your people, they are like your family. You may not know their names sometimes, but they feel for you because they look at you every single day. They want to believe you. They want to hear from you what is right, what is wrong. That way, they get a lot more power to speak in front of people who may otherwise be spreading rumors. And I'm telling you, at the times when things are the toughest is the best time to keep talking as much as you can to your people, because your people are they are your well-wishers, they feel for you, and they are the ones that will continuously go out there and do more and more for you. And when they know कि ये under all that, जिसको कहते हैं aura जो हमारे आजू बाजू होता है, हम बड़ी गाड़ी से उतरते हैं, बड़े ऑफिस में जाते हैं, ये एक ऑरा होता है हमारे आजू बाजू, बड़े बड़े घर में रहते हैं. आई थिंक इट इज, ये जो ऑरा है उसके नीचे जो उसके अंदर छिपा हुआ जो आदमी है, जो सिंपल आदमी है, आप और मैं, हु वी आर, ये लोगों को आप बताएं. आई थिंक पीपल विल कम अराउंड, दे विल रैली अराउंड यू. एक तरह से दे विल लिटरली बी योर सपोर्ट सिस्टम. एंड मैं कहता हूं एट अ टफ टाइम देयर इज नथिंग बेटर देन, मींस आपके पास कितना भी पैसा हो, वो पैसा आप खा नहीं सकते हो, आपके पास कितनी भी ताकत हो, आप उसको कहीं कहीं इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते हो. बट आपको एक बात मानना होगा कि गुड पीपल अराउंड यू, आपके जो चंद दोस्त हैं, आपके जो पीपल दैट यू एम्प्लॉय, आपके जो सप्लायर्स हैं, आपके जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स हैं, आपके जो कंसल्टेंट्स हैं, बस ये आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है. दिस इज योर रियल पावर. इसको आप ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं, उसको गले से लगा के रखो. कीप देम वेरी वेरी क्लोज. आपके मुंह से एक गलत बात निकली हुई विल कॉस्ट यू अ लाइफ टाइम ऑफ डैमेज. आई कैन टेल यू दिस वेरी वेरी ऑनेस्टली. और इस वक्त को आपने हर किसी को आपका वक्त दिया, आपकी एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग दी, बस एक तरीके का सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड किया कि बस मैं हूं, मैं कहीं गया नहीं, आई एम विथ यू. ये आपको काफी दूर ले जाएगी. आज मैं means after the government announced that we can start work, I went to the office today and truly I was very very happy. I told a few of my people, because I did not want to push too much, but yesterday all day we've been on calls और sites पे क्या करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, किस तरह से स्टार्ट करेंगे. क्रेडाई ने भी पूरा एक डायरेक्टिव भेजा है, सब एडवाइजरी भेजी है सब साइट्स को. आपको अगर मिली नहीं होगी तो I'll try and send it across to you all. जिस तरह से आपको क्या फ्यूमिगेशन करना है, कैसे चेक पॉइंट्स बनाने हैं, डॉक्टर्स के बारे में, ये वो सारी चीजें, हाउ यू सपोज टू क्लीन अप, मींस छोटी बात की दे हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ. एंड आई थिंक इट हैज बीन सेंट टू ईच एंड एवरी क्रेडाई मेंबर. सो आई गेव दैट टू माय पीपल. कल हमने 3.5-4 घंटे ऑलमोस्ट जूम कॉल्स किए और हमारे लोगों से अलग टीम के लीडर्स से बात की, सब इंजीनियर्स को साथ में जोड़ा. फिर कल रात को लेट रात को हमें ऐसे पता चला कि थाना इज अंडर, we cannot start work out there. आज सवेरे मैं ऑफिस गया तो once we made an application to BMC, हमें ये भी पता चला कि it is not all real estate work but only the work which is क्या कहते हैं उसे, which is monsoon related, या जिससे monsoon आने से जिससे तकलीफ हो सके. So 2 setbacks, right? थाना is one of my larger sites और थाना में मैं काम चालू करना चाहता था और थाना में मेरी सारी लेबर एक जगह में है. थाना में even the supervisory staff जो है वो थाना के है और वो भी आजू बाजू रहते हैं. बहुत मेहनत की कल और आज सवेरे सेटबैक, कल रात को ही सेटबैक, आज सवेरे एप्लीकेशंस की तो उसमें सेटबैक. 7 साइट्स हैं, उसमें से आई थिंक वी गॉट परमिशन फॉर ओनली 3. तो अ लॉट ऑफ माय एफर्ट वेंट वेस्ट. बट मैं ये समझ सकता हूं कि अगर मैंने वो मेहनत नहीं की होती कल, even my 3 sites that I have been in I can come in a position to start today would not get started today. मेरा बोलने का ये मतलब है कि some things are beyond your control, but effort is not beyond your control. Effort is something which is yours. You should keep doing the efforts. आपके 10 चीज करने से आपकी अगर 2 चीज सक्सेसफुल होती है तो I think it is still something you should take pride of. 8 things have failed, they have not failed entirely. ये जो हमने मेहनत की will come into use a little later. दूसरा मेरा ये बोलना था with this same subject is, काफी चीज हमारे कंट्रोल में होती नहीं है और काफी चीज हमारे, means there are some other forces that are bigger than us and they continue working the way they work. I don't take that as a negative. I don't even discuss with my people कि what are the negative things that can happen. मैं कहता हूं भाई साहब, आप इंजीनियरिंग टीम हो, you stay focused. आप सिर्फ इतना करो कि आर्किटेक्चर के साथ बैठ के, MEP के साथ बैठ के, just work out ways and means to make the buildings, let's put it this way, lighter. That means we can build them with less steel, less concrete. Build them simpler so we can build them faster. Build them in a way that, you know, first time right जिसको कहते हैं, ताकि आपको कहीं पे setback in terms of time, energy, तोड़-फोड़ नहीं आवे. So I asked them the last, the entire lockdown period, मैंने अपनी सारी टीम्स को सिर्फ एक ही बात कही है, देखिए कुछ बात हमारे कंट्रोल के बाहर है, मार्केट इसके बाद आएगी कि नहीं आएगी, आई डोंट नो, मींस जस्ट टू टेल देम आई नो आने वाली है. सो मार्केट इसके बाद आए नहीं आए, आई डोंट नो. गवर्नमेंट हमको 14 अप्रैल को चालू करने देती है, 14 अगस्त तक लगा देती है और 15 को हमें झंडा वंदन करने देती है, आई डोंट नो. बट व्हाट आई नो वेरी वेल इज, जो चीज हमारे कंट्रोल में है, जो चीज हमारी है, जो जिससे हम एफर्ट करके इसका बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं, उस पे आप पूरी ध्यान दो, उस पे आप पूरी लगन दो. मैंने अपने फाइनेंस वालों से कहा, you just work out ways and means of cutting down the processes, making things simpler for my sites. I have told my billing people that boss, पहले हम 100% billing को देखते थे, आप इसको you try and make it lighter so that things move faster. I told my engineering team, work with architecture, work with MEP, try and make our buildings more in a way, you know, collusive in terms of working. I told my legal guys, please work out all those cases where we have been fighting without thinking and continuously fighting, and tell me how many of those we can resolve or we can let go. Sometimes it costs more money to keep fighting than it costs to let go issue. And some you win, some you lose. आपको भी एक तरह से, this is a great time for you, and now since the government has given us 2 more weeks of in a way not too much work, I think ये time है आपके लिए कि आप सोच सको internally आपकी company को कैसे आप better बनाओ. And when I say better, it does not only mean fire people, you know, do all of that, but it means that, you know, conserve cash, find ways of, you know, improving your cash flow. You know, maybe there are things in which you will take a hit, I don't know, but decide that you will take that hit. You know what is the single biggest skill we all have? It is the fact that we know our business. Okay, we are all in a way masters of our business. We all have some एक तरीके का speciality जो सिर्फ हमारी है. मैं इसलिए कहता हूँ हमारी है because the universe of home buyers is so large. हर किसी के लिए there is one set of people to provide a particular skill set. तो ये skill set आपकी है, बस आप इस पे इसकी आपकी ताकत बढ़ाइए इसमें. Go deeper down. Tell your people, each one of our people should work on only that area or the areas in which they are interested in, and keep making our company better. और मैं तो कहता हूँ sometimes it is not what the market is, it is what we are that is very very important. आपके goods अगर you know they are right priced, right quality, if your customer service is good, I can literally write down and give you. घर लेने वालों की कमी नहीं हुई है. That market, that universe is still the same. And if I was someone who had a जिसको बोलते हैं crystal ball, I would tell you, and I can tell you with some amount of how do I say this knowledge, that we have been talking to government is listening. और मैं तो मानता हूँ कि come the next 20-30 days, whenever things go, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके हमारी गवर्नमेंट हमको वो सारी चीजें देगी. maybe not directly आपको या मेरे को, but हमारे कस्टमर्सों को वो सारी चीजें देंगी जो हमारे लिए जरूरी है, जो हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए जरूरी है. और मैं आपको कहता हूँ 252 industries directly and indirectly work with us. They rely on us. The governments, you know, local ULBs, state government as well as central government gets a lot of in terms of taxes and support from us. Our biggest strength is we employ category 3 and category 4 laborers. I would say in the city of Mumbai alone, we are talking of 5 lakh plus people जो जिसको कहते हैं अंगूठा छाप. आज की तारीख में जो सवेरे काम करता है तो शाम को खाता है, ऐसे लोगों को हम एम्प्लॉय करते हैं. ये बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. मैं कहूँगा I think we should take it as a sign of responsibility on ourselves. We should also understand that, you know, God has given us the opportunity to do the right thing, and we should continue doing it. We should continue growing it. And there is no bigger power than the truth. The day the government is you know in a slightly better position after, you know, the entire taking care of the lives of the people, I can tell you with a certain amount of confidence that they are listening. They will do what is required. Maybe आपको 1000 चीज चाहिए, वो 1000 नहीं और 100 देगी या 10 देगी. लेकिन मैं आपको एक assurance दे सकता हूँ ऐसे कि वो 10 ऐसी चीजें होंगी जिससे आपका कस्टमर आपके पास वापस आएगा, और आपका कस्टमर जो आपके पास वापस आएगा तो सारी बाकी बातें जो हैं वो छोटी हो जाएगी. Just as long as we have cash flow going, I think it is going to be a very big you know move for us, because I think today the one biggest worry most of us have is how will our customer behave. Will he go ahead and make a booking? Will he get scared? मैं तो कहूँगा शायद there is pain. Maybe he will get scared in the short run, but in the long run, if you understand, it's like roti kapda makan. These are the most basic necessities. आप आपके मकान right बनाइए, and we will have a lot of positive you know inflow from the market. I want to touch upon one point because I understand a lot of us are in redevelopment. मुझे ये बात शायद एक सेमिनार से I will never forget how it was told to me. Mr. Vimal Shah, who lot of you know as Hubtown Akruti, he had made this point at a seminar. पहले तो मिलके हम लोग सेमिनार करते थे, लोग मंच पे जाते थे, बोलते थे, अब तो ये वेबिनार हो गया है. But he had said, treat every slum dweller as your landowner. और ये बात मेरे दिमाग में एकदम क्लियर रह गई. आई एम नॉट सेइंग हम लोग, बट कभी कभी मैंने देखा है कि वी थ्रो ऑल डिजाइन गाइडलाइंस टू, वो बोलते हैं गटर में. वी डोंट consider that the person for whom, I'm not saying us, please take it, if it's none of us, accept it with this as just my random talking, but यार किसने हमें हक दिया कि एक स्लम ड्वेलर के घर में जाके उसको वहां से निकाल के हम फिर उसके लिए जो घर बनाएं वो anything but the best होना चाहिए. मुझे बताइए, I mean, who told us that we should get away with that kind of behavior? I think it is our obligation. It is our means we should change the way we think. Just because he was a slum dweller living in a horizontal slum, हमने उनको vertical slum खड़ा कर दिया. I mean, I have seen some buildings where the light doesn't reach the first floor. I mean, seriously, gentlemen, if we make less money, I think it's okay. If we make, we will understand our business and we will not cut each other and we will not climb over one another to go and take that one particular slum. It's okay. But एक बार आपने वो slum ले ली, I think it is very, very important we work with them as our partner. Why do we only treat that top bhai or the top person out there as the person who's important? Why can't we say कि boss तू ज़्यादा important, you are our chief officer, but बाकी के सारे are as important. Boss, why do we give them anything other than the best? मैं कहता हूँ एक बार आप ऐसा करिए, सामने से स्लम वाले आएंगे आपको और रीडेवलपमेंट वाली सोसाइटीज आएंगी और आपको रेड कारपेट वेव करके बोलेगी साहब आप हमारा डेवलप करो. I believe a good customer is going to give you 100 customers. I believe one satisfied redevelopment, what do you call, society, या compound, या building, one well-developed slum society, you will have enough work for life. All of us don't need to develop all of Mumbai at one go. We can do what we do very well and make it very profitable. But let us never forget that the person out there is a human being and we cannot treat him as, I don't know, DCR related issues, whatever they may be. Boss, let's do the right thing for these people. They are our responsibility. Let's treat them well. The home we give them, let us make it their pride. मैंने ये बहुत बार कहा है, आप लोगों को रोटी दो तो वो एक दिन के लिए शायद will be a good man. आप उसको कपड़ा दो, थोड़ा बहुत उसको समझाओ तो 2 दिन के लिए, 10 दिन के लिए will be a good man. लेकिन आप किसी को एक घर दे दो जो उसकी एक पूंजी बन जाए, जो उसकी एक दिल की अमानत, दिल को छूने वाली अमानत बन जाए, that man is a good citizen for life. क्योंकि now he has something he can lose and nobody, आपके पास जो घर है या आपके पास जो दौलत है आप उसे खोना नहीं चाहते हो. Similarly, create that home, and it is my humble request to each and every one of us, if there is one thing we do right in redevelopment, in slums, let us give all our people a good home. Let us treat them as our first customer. Let us treat them as a landowner. Let us, मैं नहीं कहता हूँ आप सर पे बिठा के रखो, don't come and tell me tomorrow साहब आपने रोमन आपने जो कहा मैंने कर दिया और देखो ये कैसा behave कर रहा है. But let us all be clear कि हम उनके लिए, suppose I am giving a particular quality of tile for my sale building, I can give a good tile for my rehab building also, and they are not asking for the Italian marble, वो शायद मांग रहे हैं just something that is lifelong. वहां पे जो कारीगरी होती है उसको भी अच्छा करो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है बॉस? नहीं तो आपके सारे जो पैसा आप इसमें डालते हो. See, I don't want to go more on this. I think we will take some questions. लेकिन मुकद्दर के सिकंदर में एक डायलॉग था और ये सारे बिल्डर्सों के लिए it is the right dialogue, right? कादर खान अमिताभ बच्चन को कहता है, बेटा मुसीबतों का सामना कर, तकलीफों को गले से लगा, तकदीर तेरे कदम चूमेगी, तू मुकद्दर का बादशाह बनेगा. मैं सब लोग से यही कहूंगा कि हम जब ये लाइन में आए, हमने ये डिसाइड किया था कि हम सर पे बांध के आए हैं और अब हमने जब ये ले ही लिया है तो लेट अस पुट अ स्माइल ऑन आवर फेस. हमारी छाती चौड़ी है, हम चेहरे पे हंसी रखते हैं. लेट्स ऑलवेज डू द राइट थिंग. सही करने वाले की शायद शॉर्ट टर्म में बहुत तकलीफें आएंगी, लेकिन लॉन्ग रन में उसका फायदा होगा. ये आपको चाहिए तो मेरे से लिखित ले लो, ये मेरी गारंटी आप सब लोग को है. चलिए, आई एम डन. इफ देयर आर एनी क्वेश्चंस हरीश भाई, आई एम हैप्पी टू टेक देम.
Thank you, Pawan sir. Vikram bhai, if you can take up ये अपना real estate is real.
Yes, Baban bhai, thank you so much. It was very insightful and quite inspirational. Before we move on to the question answer session, I have been given this task of talking about the tagline that BDA is coming up with a campaign, and I wish that this becomes a campaign for the industry, which is real estate ही real है. I think this is something that we all know has been true earlier, is true today, and will always remain true. But ये कोविड के सिचुएशन में इससे ज्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट स्टेटमेंट नहीं हो सकता. आज आपके बैंक में कितना भी पैसा हो, आज आपके पास करोड़ों का ज्वेलरी भी समझो है, तो आज वो तुम्हारी लॉकर की शोभा बढ़ा रहा है. टुडे what you're enjoying with your family is the home that you're living in, and this is where it amplifies and it justifies this statement, real estate ही real है. If you look at every other means and modes of investments that people have become comfortable over the years, look at stocks, look at mutual funds. I think over the years लोगों ने अपना अपना एक्सपीरियंस से ऐसा लगने लगा है कि भाई स्टॉक एक्सचेंज या if you invest in a blue chip company, our money is only going to grow in a long period of time. It will never go down. But if you look at what has happened in the past month and a half, if you third week of February, I was just looking at the logistics. The third week of February, the stock exchange was somewhere around 41,000 Sensex. Exactly a month later, it's at 26,000, a 15,000 point drop, which is like almost 38% of the wealth eroded within a month. This can never happen in real estate. We all know that. I was looking at blue chip companies, the companies that actually drive the index. So I was looking at Reliance stock. Reliance stock in February, in the third week of February was traded at 1,500 rupees. After a month, it was at 850 rupees. If I put it in monetary terms, अगर मेरा 1.5 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट मैंने रिलायंस में अगर होता, मेरा पोर्टफोलियो 1.5 करोड़ का होता, एक महीने के अंदर that would have become 88 lakh rupees. This will never happen in a real estate. If you book a flat anywhere, as long as it's a legal flat, this cannot happen कि आपका 1.5 करोड़ रुपए का इन्वेस्टमेंट 90 lakh rupees हो गया. And this has happened within a month. So this is where I feel that we as an industry, we are actually underestimating always, because there's a perception that developers, as you said, a lot of us have not been ethical, and because of that few, the entire industry has been looked down upon. And over a period of time, we also have started looking at ourselves not in the way that we should. So what we are bringing on table is something that we should all be proud about. And I think it is now time that, just the way the mutual funds sometime back started like a campaign across all the mutual funds, be it X or Y, they all had one theme that they hammered. And today you mentioned it very well कि हम अपने differences, मेरा issues जो है, आपका issue, सब side पे रखे, हम एक पूरी industry की तरफ से एक आवाज में एक चीज बोले जो हर जगह हर इंसान सुने. तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि let us make this as a mission for the entire industry. Real estate ही real है. Let us put it in every advertisement that every developer puts out, every real estate channel partner. Let us all come together and let us make people realize that there is no investment better than real estate. With that, Baban bhai, I would request you to share your thoughts on this, and thereafter we would request you to kindly release or inaugurate our logo for this mission.
So I think we've been a little slow in communicating this. But having said that, there's always, today is the right time to do the right thing. I think people should be, first of all, we should continue the education by telling people, आपने देखा होगा आपके कस्टमर को जब फ्लैट लेना होता है आपसे तो उसको चाहिए कि उसको लोएस्ट प्राइस पे मिले, लेकिन उसने आज अगर फ्लैट खरीद लिया सवेरे तो वो ये चाहता है कि शाम तक ये फ्लैट की वैल्यू डबल हो जाए. Means this is a common trend. I think it is very important as developers we get this trading mentality out from real estate and try, at least of the homes I should say, and at least try and educate all our customers that a home is a security. is आज भी आप देख लो तो कोविड-19 के अगेंस्ट सबसे बड़ी दवा आपके पास आपका घर ही है. आप घर के अंदर ही बैठे हो, आप आपके ऑफिस में गए नहीं हो, यू हैव नॉट टेकन मेनी मेडिसिन्स, आप घर के अंदर बैठे हो. साबुन और वो क्या बोलते हैं सैनिटाइजर के बाद आई थिंक एज इम्पोर्टेंट और मोर इम्पोर्टेंट इज द घर. सो आई थिंक वी एज डेवलपर्स should also do that. Secondly, let us not make a mistake of saying बस आप घर ले लो क्योंकि घर ही आपका सही इन्वेस्टमेंट है. I think it is very important to educate at all points of time everybody that a home should be as much as 40 to 50% of a portfolio. Balance 50% should still be spread out. If you are very smart, go out and play stocks and shares, which I am not, so I don't. If you are not so smart, go out and put money into some kind of mutual funds, which are also taking a beating. But the point is, allow people to understand that it's as important to have a home. ये लोग बोलते थे millennial thinking होगा and millennials will pass. I am telling you, ये COVID-19 जब से हुआ है तब से I have seen a lot of people, at least online in the digital world, are all stating कि इसके बाद उनको कहीं ना कहीं घर लेना है. I have had NRI friends of mine. NRI भी नहीं, I would say one of them is a citizen outside of India, from Canada. And he has actually called me up and said, यार मेरे को घर लेना है यार, तू दिल्ली में कोई अच्छा सा डेवलपर मींस कोई अच्छी जगह मुझे बता दे. And I said, you're never coming back. You are in Canada. बोलता है यार नहीं यार, my country is my country finally. Who knows? I have the money. Why don't I buy a house? But I don't want to be cheated, woman. I trust you. I want you to recommend. The point I'm trying to make is, this is what we've got to get across to the people. Let us not suddenly say everything else is crap and only real estate is right. But let us tell people, सबको ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि real estate is real और इसकी value आज की तारीख में, देखो आपका घर बेचने वाले नहीं हो, रोज उसमें पेपर में दाम देख के यहाँ पे 10 करोड़ का रेट हो गया, 5 करोड़ का रेट हो गया, doesn't mean do anything for me at least. तो you have to tell people कि ये घर आपकी ऐसी वो पूंजी है जो आपको पूरी जिंदगी सुखद रखेगी, प्लस कल उठ के बियॉन्ड यू अगर आपके बच्चे मूव ऑन करना चाहे या खुद की कुछ पूंजी बनाना चाहे तो इट इज देयर एज अ रियल एसेट. वेयरएज अब अगर आप स्टॉक्स एंड शेयर्स में ट्रेड करते हो तो ठीक है बना सकते हो, लेकिन आप गंवा भी उतना ही सकते हो. अगर आप कोई म्यूचुअल फंड्स में डालते हो तो यस यू हैव अ स्लाइटली स्टेडियर वे, बट हु नोज व्हाट कैन हैपन. गोल्ड जो है आपसे चोरी हो सकती है, सो मे बी देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. सो आई थिंक वी शुड टेल देम दैट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव अ ओवरऑल बैलेंस्ड पोर्टफोलियो, बिकॉज ट्राइंग टू टेल ओनली वन थिंग कि बस खाली रियल एस्टेट ले लो इज नॉट आल्सो द राइट थिंग. But yes,
I agree.
I'm in line in agreement with you, Vikram. Real estate is real, and
I think we've lost him.
No,
Yeah,
he's there.
I'm back. I think we had a spike.
we are sure you'll always bounce back. That is your trait.
We all will, Vikram, trust me, we all will. By the way, I just want to mention, I see Dharmesh also is here. Another person who's doing some great work with his CMDWA. Dharmesh has been putting in a great amount of effort. I'm sure your association is too, but I have been seeing the kind of work they do, and I would say each association has a very important role to play. I would only request that all of us come together in this time and let us, can you hear me, all of you?
Yeah.
We can hear you. We can't see you though.
You can't see me?
Yeah.
This is ridiculous. I can't see you all also, but I can see myself. Okay, doesn't matter. I see Dharmesh's name out here, so I just thought it's very important that we put across. I think it's a great
please
amount
raise
of...
your hand so others know you're there.
Thank you, Owen. Thank you so much.
Okay, guys, and each one of us needs to come together at this time. And like I said, one common voice through and through. Let's keep it going, guys. I'm done.
Vikram bhai.
No, you still have to inaugurate our logo, sir.
I'm wondering, how do I do it? I can only see
No,
myself.
no,
I can
so
see
you-
Harish and I can see Dharmesh,
No,
but I
now
can
we
just
can
see a
now
picture.
we can see you now. But
Okay.
so you just have to command, and our guy on the backstage will do the job.
So please, let's inaugurate this one slogan which we all should use and we all will use going forward. Please.
Okay.
I think we all need to clap on this.
Awesome.
Lovely, guys. Lovely. Great job.
So, Baman bhai, my request on behalf of BDA is, let us take it to every forum, to MCHI, to CREDAI, to NAREDCO. Let us all try and push this across for the betterment of our entire industry.
Of course.
Thank you.
Of course. Are there any
One
questions?
by there are
Yeah,
few
I think-
questions. Harish bhai would start with question. Harish bhai, please.
Thank you, Ritesh bhai. Thank you, Bhuvan bhai. It was really superb, a superb overall view. You have given it in short and like a good learning for everyone, actually. So I'll quickly, and thanks a lot for inaugurating this real estate relay. And it would be, remember, in all the times that it was been inaugurated by one and only one Mr. Bowman Irani. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's just start with the questions. I just would like to know कि आपके लाइफ में ऐसे बहुत बार ऐसे इंस्टेंसेस आए होंगे, यू मस्ट हैव फेल्ट इट सो टेम्प्टेड कि भाई अभी ये नहीं हो रहा है एंड इट इज नॉट गोइंग अहेड एंड you felt like giving it up, but you never give it up. So how do you tackle the situations?
So to answer that question in simple is, first of all, it's not that you don't give up. You may make a bad decision, depending on what stage in the decision you are. You have to change tracks. I always tell people,
I think his internet connection is unstable right now.
Do you want to tell him to just log in back again rather than?
I think so. Thoda sa he will move here and there, it will come back. It goes for a movement.
Baman bhai, can you hear us?
Can someone just, Harish bhai, can you just message him to
I'll
log in
call
back
him.
again?
I'm calling him.
Log out and log in.
You're calling him?
Yeah.
ask someone to unmute me, and I'm unmuted.
Yeah, you're unmuted.
Now, can you see me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so I don't know how much you heard, but let me just start at the very beginning. See, it's not like you don't make mistakes and you should not step back. I think it's very important to realize when you've made a mistake and step back. But the most important thing I can communicate to all of you is, सबसे easily आप जाने दे सकते हो तो पैसे को जाने दो. When you make a mistake, if it costs you something in terms of money, give it up. Give up the money. If after that it costs you in terms of your image, etc., try and not give it up, right? And most importantly, if it's going to cost you your life, then I mean, because jaan hai to jaan hai, even our Prime Minister has said so. We should bear that in mind. But I would say most of us get worried about bas paisa toot jayega, mere ghar se jayega. The one thing I can repeat again and again is, when you know your business, you can do it 10 times over. You can do it again. You might take a hit in one. And if you look at industries, okay, auto industry, which I am very, very closely associated with, they don't make money every single time. They lose money also, they make money also, they make bigger mistakes than you can imagine, but they let go when they find out that things are wrong. But don't let go if you know what you're doing is right and you're facing difficulty. जो मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा, हम सब ने शायद बीच में, मैं तो आई कैन से दिस विद अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज, हम सब ने ओवर ट्रेडिंग कहीं ना कहीं की है, वी ऑल नो इट। और बस ये चंगुल से निकलने के लिए हमने एक किया, फिर दूसरा किया, फिर तीसरा किया। एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम हमको ये जान के डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा कि अब बस इससे ज्यादा, इस इधर तक जो भी कॉन्सिक्वेंस आवे हम बेयर करेंगे, इससे ज्यादा वी विल नॉट डू। बिकॉज आई थिंक वी कंपाउंड, when we are making a mistake, we only make the mistake of compounding that mistake many times over. I think the first lesson for a businessman is, if you're wrong, pay the price, bear the consequence, move on. Don't stop. I don't think any one of us should say, बस ये मैं इसमें टूट गया, आपके डिक्शनरी में होना नहीं चाहिए। मिस्टेक हुई तो उसको बैक स्टेप लेके फिर आगे बढ़ने की ट्राई करनी चाहिए। मैं आपको कहूंगा, इन द स्पिरिट ऑफ फेयरनेस, आप जितनी भी बात कहोगे लोगों से, आई थिंक आपके साथियों भी, मींस दे विल टेक अ लॉस विथ यू आल्सो, they might look forward. Never forget, if you have caused somebody a financial problem, remember that, and whenever in life you can make good it. Have that intention कि आज नहीं तो कल, जब भी I'm in a better position, I'll make good this person's losses with me. But at the same point of time, let money go first. Don't let image go. Don't let life go. Don't lose anything else if it is possible.
True, sir. Very true. So, second question from one of the panelists is, since you are running such a big organization, you are having such a big brand.
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
Since you are, can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Mohan bhai, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Since you are running such a big organization, and there is a huge responsibility on you of maintaining your brand, as well as so many lives of people are been attached with your organization. It's on stake. So kind of decision you make, doesn't it create a pressure on you that how I'll manage this and how I'll go through it? And don't you feel tired? And would you like to take some shortcuts to this?
So if you can hear me properly, let me tell you a little story someone told me once. One villager was he learned to drive in those old days. उसको ड्राइविंग किसी ने सिखा दी, तो वो सिटी गया, उसने एक ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस ले ली, वापस अपने गांव में आया तो किसी ने उसको बस ड्राइवर की नौकरी दे दी। तो भाई साहब बड़ी मस्ती से बस चला रहे थे, पीछे कंडक्टर टिंग टिंग करे रुक जाता था, टिंग टिंग करे निकल जाता था। फिर कहीं ना कहीं उसने एक बार ऐसे पीछे मुड़ के देखा तो उसने देखा कि 20-30 लोग बस में थे। तब उसे पता चला कि बॉस, अगर मैं कोई मिस्टेक करता हूं, मैं तो यहाँ पे मजे से चला रहा हूं, लेकिन अगर मैं कोई मिस्टेक करता हूं तो ये सारे लोगों की जान जाएगी। सो यस, एवरी वन ऑफ अस जो हम काम करते हैं, स्पेशली हम जो रीडेवलपमेंट में है, मैं आपको ये कह सकता हूं कि आप लोगों को अपने घर से निकालते हो और फिर आप पे इतनी बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आती है, क्योंकि एक घर के साथ कई सपने होते हैं, बस एक के नहीं, एक फैमिली के, और वो फैमिली के एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली के सपने होते हैं। तो आप सब पे एक बहुत भारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को निभाने के लिए सबसे बेस्ट तरीका ये है कि आप ऐसा अपने आप को सामने वाले के जूते में डालिए, मींस यू पुट योरसेल्फ इन द अदर पर्सनस प्लेस और बिहेव विथ हिम how you would have liked to be behaved with if you were the one at the receiving end और कोई सामने खड़ा होता। I think as a human being, we are all designed to be good. Some of us break under pressure. Some of us, very few of us, break with greed, but some of us break under pressure. We want to do the right thing. We get swayed a little bit. I would say the faster you change your tracks and decide to be a long-term real estate developer, you will do well. And in as far as responsibility goes, boss, I think from the time you are 8-10 years old, you have a responsibility for how your parents feel, how your brother or sister is behaved with, how your neighbor is. You don't hit anybody, your parents teach you. So I think we are all, especially as Indians, very well attuned to, you know, जिसको कहते हैं एक sense of responsibility निभाना। हम सब हमारे parents की देखरेख करते हैं। मैं नहीं समझता कि we don't know how to handle responsibility. I think when you treat all your people as your own, when you actually care for what you do and the people that work with you, when their happiness is your happiness, when their sadness is something where you have to step in and try and do something about, I think God gives you an unbelievable amount of strength, and there is no dearth of energy that comes to you. हमारी ताकत हमारे लोग हैं, हमारी ताकत हमारे कस्टमर्स हैं, हमारी ताकत हमारी नियत है, और आप अगर बस इतना ध्यान रखो तो आई थिंक दुनिया की पूरी ताकत आपके सामने कुछ नहीं है. Nothing.
Great. True. I had one more similar question, but this I think so you have already answered. That if you, for instances, if you encounter failure one after another, and you wonder whether the path which you have chosen is right. भाई हमने जो path चुना है वो सही है, फिर भी हमारे को एक के पीछे वापस failure आ रहा है. तो till how much time you will hold it in spite of failure?
2012 से अभी तक तो होल्ड कर रहे हैं. नहीं, in a lighter way of saying it, देखिए, there is no right answer to that, है ना. हर किसी की अपनी एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, एक अपना तकलीफों को या अपॉर्चुनिटीज को देखने का नजारा होता है. आई थिंक I don't have a right answer for you except that if you believe in something and you know your business well, जिसको कहते हैं, when you are playing a game you should know the rules, and real estate unfortunately is something that teaches you the rules as you go along. But hum sab, I think we've been in the business now, so at least I've been in the business for 24 years, and I think every day we keep a mindset of wanting to understand, wanting to learn. I think we are now at that stage where after all we've learned that there's a lot more to learn. I personally don't think we're in the wrong business. I think we are in the absolute right business. I think I keep telling my people that it's always darkest. सवेरा होने के पहले always सबसे ज़्यादा अंधेरा होता है. आप सब ये मान लो कि जितना अंधेरा होना था हो गया. इसके आगे सवेरा है. अब इसके बाद आप एक माइंडसेट बना लो कि आप जो भी करोगे वो अपने एरिया ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस या अपने एरिया ऑफ कंट्रोल के अंदर करोगे. डोंट गेट स्वेड. डोंट ट्राई एंड डू बॉस एबीसी इतना कर रहा है तो XYZ मैं हूं, मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता, मैं उससे बड़ा. बिजनेस में सबसे बड़ी बात मैं आपको कहना चाहूंगा, which I think my father told me. He passed away in 1989. He said, in business, it is not how much money you make. It is how long you will be in business, which is very, very important. बस ये आप ध्यान में रखो. और ये long in business रहने के लिए, you have to do the right thing at all points of time, whether it is to your own people, whether it is to your people who work with you, whether it is to your customers. I think you just have to keep doing the right thing. And again, I cannot stress enough, you may make less money, but other than not only sleeping very well, but you will also get repeated business, and in the long run you will be far bigger than you at least personally imagined yourself.
Thanks for this enlightenment, and I'm done with this.
Thank you, Harish bhai. Now I'll give mic to Dharmesh bhai. Dharmesh bhai had a couple of questions. Dharmesh bhai, please.
Boban, a very straight question to you.
Well,
Given an opportunity, will you undertake redevelopment projects here on and consider it as a good business any longer?
so Dharmesh, there's a history, and history teaches you a lot, right? Let me answer your question differently. When we got into redevelopment, why did we go into redevelopment? Because we had the human skills, right? And there was not a lot of money required. Then I think what started happening is everybody saw that there is good money to be made in redevelopment, and we all have this problem. We say इसने 100 दिया तो मैं 101 देता हूँ, ₹1 का तो मैं डिसीजन ले रहा हूँ, मैं कहाँ 100 का ले रहा हूँ, किसी ने और डिसीजन ले लिया है. I think this is a big mistake. और ये मिस्टेक हमारी इतने साल somehow इसलिए tolerate हुई because money kept coming in. I think a lot of us thought cash flow is profits, I think the government, looked at the general euphoria, जिसको कहते हैं, amongst the developers. Like I mentioned earlier, हर किसी का कोई ना कोई MLA या MP या जो भी दोस्त है, and we have a habit of talking. हम जब अच्छा करते हैं तो हम ज्यादा बात करते हैं. I think this got heard by everybody. Then when the pain started, first of all, we didn't know when the pain started. Pain, it is like a diabetic feels the pain after a few days. हम सब diabetic थे, sweetness इतना सब चल रहा था हमारी life में कि हम भूल गए कि there is a pain. वो pain, by the time we realized and we started talking about it, people stopped listening to us. And then we got hit one after the other. I understand our pain today is actually something called GST in a very large way. But if you look at it, it is something that we have to continuously, we cannot expect overnight miracles. We may not be able to expect, an answer immediately. But having said that, I think today, if you ask me in a prescriptive format, I will tell you, why don't you speak to all your redevelopment guys and tell them, boss, if GST on your account comes, it is to you. And I'm telling you, you tell them that yes, it will come to you, but you have a better chance of fighting it than a developer does. And if I as a developer take your GST liability, I will be in trouble. But you may, I'm not saying you will, you may get away with it. Who knows how the rules change in the future. Secondly, let us all be clear that we should stay in the realm of reality. जिसको कहते हैं ना वो rightness के guidelines के अंदर रहो. Don't play the marginal game. Don't say धर्मेश ने उसको means ये offer कर लिया मैं. I can tell you this with a lot of confidence. आपको पता है जब 2-3 डेवलपर एक रीडेवलपमेंट के पीछे चलते हैं तो क्या होता है इनसाइड द सोसाइटी सब लोग रूम में आते हैं और बोलते हैं चलो हम डेवलपर के साथ खेलते हैं. मिस्टर ए तू बमन की वाह कर, मिस्टर बी तू धर्मेश की वाह कर, मिस्टर सी तू दिगंत की वाह कर, एंड ऑल ऑफ देम आर प्लेइंग अस. हमको लगता है बॉस ये हमारा खास है, वो देख रहा है कि हम इसको खेलें. द एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव इज एवरीबॉडी वांट्स टू गेट द हाईएस्ट प्राइस. व्हाई आर वी अ विक्टिम ऑफ दीस गेम्स बॉस? नहीं लेना है, अगला वाला लेंगे. कौन सी कमी पड़ी है बॉस? And this full Mumbai, 19,000 buildings are going to come up for redevelopment. Finally build your skill set, finally build your design set, finally build your financial muscle. There is no point in trying to do more. Try and do what is going to be right. So having said that, I think I gave a very long answer to a very short question. Dharmesh, I'm sorry. But my point is, yes, I will continue to do redevelopment. I may not immediately do anything new. And I can tell you, I'm still in conversation with a lot of people for redevelopment. But I am also very clear with my teams because I don't go in the first meeting or even the second meeting or third meeting. I tell people only go with those people who are not trying to make you compete against everybody else in the market. Yes, you will have competition. Stay true to your strength, your set of skills, display those, explain those. And then when it comes to legality, tell people the truth and then tell them why you want them to take on certain responsibilities that come on their account. Secondly, I'm also hopeful that sooner or later, BDA has themselves done a lot of push on this GST front, and a lot of noise is being done in the right places. So it will come through.
One more question, if I may. We are out of time permitting.
बोलने भाई जल्दी बोल.
Lot of redevelopers को ये एक चिंता है कि कोविड-19 के चलते हुए अभी जो पूरी इंडस्ट्री एक हो गई है, तो दिस इज वेरी वेरी गुड. एवरीबॉडी इज वेरी हैप्पी इन अ पॉजिटिव मूड कि MCHI, CREDAI, NAREDCO, everybody is doing a fantastic job. As redevelopers are small developers, we consider ourselves as small guys. What should be at least 4 or 5 things we should be really be concerned कि हमको ये benefit, हमको कुछ ना कुछ जो मिलना चाहिए, हमें सेंटर से अपेक्षा करनी चाहिए GST को लेके, या हमें इनकम टैक्स के बारे में कुछ हमको अपेक्षा करनी चाहिए रेडी रेक्टर को लेके, या स्टेट लेवल पर हमें अपेक्षा करनी चाहिए कि हमारा स्टैम्प ड्यूटी 1% हो जाए, या BMC से हमें अपेक्षा रखनी चाहिए कि हमारे प्रीमियम्स कम हो जाए. कहां पर हमें एक सेटिस्फैक्ट्री फील हो कि हाँ इतना मिल गया ना, अभी हमारी दाल चावल रोटी चलेगी, इतना गाड़ी चल जाएगी.
देख पहले तो मैं बता दूं तेरे को, sorry, directly Dharmesh, to answer your question, that state government is the number one. They're closest to us. We should continue working with them. Whether it is BMC, whether it is MADA, whether it is the state government charges itself. I think we have made lots of representations जहाँ पे हमने state government को दिखा दिया है कि anywhere between 36 and 42 rupees that the customer pays, whether it goes in stamp duty, whether it goes in GST, whether it goes in all the premiums that we are paying, all of that is going directly, indirectly into their revenue. So with 58 rupees or 64 rupees, the developer has to do everything else, and right now even take on, let's say, the compliance costs that have come up, plus of course the legal risks, etc., etc., etc. So my point is, whoever is closest to us, it is the state and the ULB. The state government in terms of UD has a very big role to play in BMC. Housing department has a very big role to play in what do you call your MADA and SRA redevelopments. I think if we are united in our ask, if we are not fragmented, if all the 3 or 4 bodies that are working in the state come together and create a proper data point, because Dharmesh, I've said this and you must be facing this problem also, हम डेवलपर लोग बातें दिल से बहुत करते हैं, बट जब भी डेटा देने की बात आती है हम फेल हो जाते हैं. बस यही एक पॉइंट है जिसकी वजह से हमारी कोई भी पॉइंट को, आप लॉयर के पास जाते हो, उसको मैं राइट हूं, लेकिन अगर कोई पेपर वर्क दोगे नहीं तो वो कहां से जीत के आएगा आपका मैटर. वो थोड़ी जज को उसको इमोशनल पिच देना है. सो आई थिंक डेटा कलेक्शन करके, जो अभी हम काफी कर रहे हैं, data collection करके पहले let us go to the state and tell the state they need to reduce their premiums. They cannot afford to charge us such heavy premiums. After that, everything that we are asking for from the central government or from the RBI is more to bring down the cost and to make it beneficial for the customer to buy. I think जो भी होगा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से, वो रीडेवलपर हो, डेवलपर हो, SRA डेवलप करता हो, anybody, it has to benefit them across the board, because that is like a rain shower. वहां से जो आएगा वो सबको equally आएगा. आपके पास as अपने पास as redevelopers दो ही चीज है. I think one is, अगर GST at least on redevelopment अगर निकल जाता है तो that is a big thing. और दूसरा जो अगर state government या BMC के premiums जितने कम होते हैं, I think that will be something that can benefit us. उसके बाद मेरी एक request रहेगी, अगर ये benefits आते हैं, let us be honest enough to pass it on to our customers. Let us show the state, let us show the authorities that when something comes our way, we are happy to pass it on to the consumer. If we say नहीं, अब हमारा problem था, हमने इतने साल लॉस किए, पहले हम ये रख लेते हैं, तो वो सोने का अंडा हो जाएगा. सोने के अंडे देने वाली मुर्गी, पहले हम मुर्गी को ही ले जाएंगे, and we will not have the long term benefit from these people. So I think it's a two-way street. हम मांगेंगे लेकिन हमें देना भी चाहिए, बस तो ही काम होगा.
I'm done with my questions. Thank you so much.
Pawanji, I had a couple of questions. One of that was, what is your source of inspiration? So, कहाँ से इतने positive रहते हो? कैसे इतने positive रहते हो? Because I've heard you so many times in so many forums. So कैसे रहते हो?
आपका सवाल जो है वो शायद नयन भाई बेटर दे पाते हैं उसका जवाब. मुझे तो ऐसे लगता है पॉजिटिविटी छोड़ के और कोई चीज किसी में होनी नहीं चाहिए. इट स्टार्ट्स विद द वे यू आर बोर्न. जैसे सब लोग, आप पर्सनल मींस एवरीबॉडी नोज द बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस ऑफ बर्थ. यू आर वन इन मिलियंस ऑफ, जिसको कहते हैं स्पर्म हूज फाइटिंग फॉर सर्वाइवल. तो वो अगर पहले ही राउंड में रुक जाए तो वो तो जीतेगा ही नहीं ना. सो आई थिंक इट स्टार्ट्स ओवर देयर. आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैव गॉट टू डू with the way we treat our problems. I have always treated my problems as an opportunity. I have always, from the time I was a child, been told ke, my grandmother used to say, "Buru thai sarana kaje," means something bad happens as an invitation of something good. So I think that stayed with me. I just believed her tremendously and her old world wisdom, and I have seen it has helped me in good stead. Finally, if English में there's a कहावत, you laugh and the world laughs with you, cry and you cry alone. So why cry? एक तो साला cry होने से चेहरा भी बिगड़ता है, हंसने से चेहरा सुधरता है. मन को साफ रखो तो you are a little better off. तो मैं नहीं समझता पॉजिटिविटी छोड़ के और कुछ है. If you remember in my entire talk to you also I said don't worry about bigger issues. आपके सामने जो उसके बारे में आप उतना करो जो आपका राइट है या जो आपकी समझ है, तो I think a lot of things get ironed out by themselves.
Okay.
ये फैक्ट है भाई मेरे लाइफ में.
Good. And sir, how do you stay relevant? Because I'm seeing you since '98. I'm from Borivali, so sir say I've seen your journey. So how do you be relevant in every changing time? Because '98 ka say till 2020. So your
तो
buildings, your
बहुत
thought
सिंपल
process.
है, बहुत सिंपल है. एक तो I am curious. I think Vikram will tell you I'm always curious. I'm always asking questions. Sometimes people think I'm asking questions to, just spend time, but it's not that. I think there is a lot we learn from each other if we want to. And let me tell you a little incident. I've always been a follower of martial arts. So as it happens, हर कोई शिष्य समझता है उसका गुरु सबसे बेस्ट. So I started off with an art called judo. जब मैं judo करता था मुझे लगता था बस judo ही बेस्ट है, बाकी सारे सब बेकार हैं, हु हा करते रहते हैं, कुछ पता नहीं है. Then I met Parvez Mistry and I took up Goju-Ryu karate and I said boss इससे अच्छी चीज तो कुछ है ही नहीं, मैं क्या पागलपन कर रहा था, उठा के लोगों ये this is it, this is power. But then I met people who were doing taekwondo and people who were doing kung fu, and what I learned is everybody has, means there is nothing, no one कोई तो है नहीं, no one person has it all. और भगवानों में भी हमने देखा है किसी के पास ये पावर है तो किसी के पास वो पावर है. I have always been curious about what are the powers that make things happen, and I have, let's say, had the good luck and the good fortune never to believe कि I know more than someone else. मुझे तो ऐसे लगता है बच्चा भी मुझे सिखाता है and rightly so. मेरे बच्चे last whatever 35-40 days में मैं घर पे हूँ, काफी सिखा दिया है मुझे. So I think that we should keep this attitude of learning alive in us. जो अपने अंदर एक बच्चा है उसको alive रखो, सवाल पूछो, शर्माओ मत. मैं तो क्लास में भी अगर कुछ समझ ना पड़े तो चुपचाप नहीं बैठता था, मैं हाथ ऊपर करके टीचर समझा ही नहीं, बताओ वापस. So I don't think I have been ashamed to speak the truth and ask when I need it. If I need help, I ask. I don't say कि what will someone else say. ना से बड़ी गाली तो है नहीं, अगर सामने वाला नहीं कहना चाहता तो नहीं कहेगा, बट मैं उसके लिए नहीं पूछूं, that is also not right. और मैंने देखा है अक्सर आप पूछो, लोगों से बात करो, मांगो, आपको मिलता है. I mean, if the other person is in a position to give it, आपकी मांग अगर गलत ना हो तो you get it. बस यही है.
Right.
And sorry. नहीं, अगर कोई मेरे टीम मेंबर होंगे साइड पे तो मारेंगे मेरे को बाद में. सुनो, and very very important for every one of you, डेवलपर वो प्राणी है जो लोगों का सुन के जाके एकदम एक वेरी टैलेंटेड पर्सन को उठाएगा. मींस मेरे को मार्केटिंग की जीरो समझ है, मैं जाके बेस्ट कोई HUL से किसी को उठा के लेके आऊंगा. अच्छा 2-4 दिन वो अपना काम करेगा, मुझे लगेगा साला ये पैसा बहुत खर्चा कर रहा है, फिर मैं उसको जाके बोलूंगा ऐसा नहीं ऐसा कर. फिर मेरे को लगेगा मींस इमीडिएटली रिएक्शन नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं सोचूंगा ऐसा नहीं ऐसा कर. बाय द एंड ऑफ 3 months हमने वो उसकी टैलेंट को निचोड़ के गटर में डाल दिया और हमने उसे छोटा मिनी बना दिया है. नेवर डू दैट. वन थिंग आई कैन टेल यू, आपके लोग आपसे कई ज्यादा होशियार हैं, उनको उतना रिस्पेक्ट दो, उनकी उतनी बात मानो. और अगर आपको किसी ने, इफ यू हैव हायर्ड समबडी फॉर सम पर्टिकुलर जॉब, प्लीज हैव फेथ इन दैट पर्सन. आप आपके RCC वाले को जाके ऐसा नहीं बोलते बॉस इसमें आपने 10 सलिए क्यों डाले, आप 8 ही डालो काम हो जाएगा. लाइकवाइज ट्रस्ट योर पीपल. हमें अक्सर ऐसे लगता है कि कोई बाहर वाला, मींस अगर कोई गोरा बोलता हो तो एवरीवन लिसन्स क्वाइटली, हाँ ये होशियार होगा. बट हमारा ही आदमी कुछ हमको बोले तो वी थिंक जरा कंसल्टेंट को पैसा देके हम उसकी बात हर कोई मान लेते हैं क्योंकि उसने बड़ा पैसा लिया है. बट हमारा आदमी आके हमको बोले एंड वी डोंट बिलीव. I think this is a big wrong we do to our people and then to our companies and to ourselves. So when you hire the right people, have faith in them. Your team is very, very capable. As a leader, your only job is to give them, let's say, direction, guidance. वो भी अगर आप दे सको तो. Otherwise, please only give them confidence and let them go ahead. They will do a very good job. So that's how I've been relevant. My people have been very, very good.
Nice, very, very nice listening. Sir, the last question from me. You built such a nice and very good brand. So if you can tell couple of things, यहाँ सब लोग everybody wants see you as a ऐसा कि हमको भी रुस्तम जी बनना है या हमको भी you want to be like you. So what is couple of things which you will like to tell everybody become building such a good brand?
मैं आपको most important चीज बताता हूँ. Always remember the newcomer teaches the old people the business. So when I came into the trade, 1996, I could never negotiate. तो मैंने 1996 जिसको याद होगा, मैंने बोल दिया चेयरमैन टू वॉचमैन एक ही रेट होगा, यू कैन नॉट नेगोशिएट. वो तभी के लिए बहुत चल गया. स्टार्टिंग में लोग मेरे को बोले कि भैया तू तो जाएगा ये बिजनेस में, नेगोशिएशन, मांडोली, क्या बोलते, बांध छोड़, all those words I heard, but I could not understand them, so I stayed with what I thought was right, and I think it worked quite well for us. But after that, if you observe, there were so many players who came into the business. India Bulls came into the business and taught us a whole new ability of thinking. Finance is such a big thing, and you can, change so many things if you control your finances right, or if your source of money is cheap, etc. I mean, I'm just taking names. I don't mean to, make anybody sound less. But अगर आप देखो तो every person जो ये business में आता है वो पुराने वाले को सिखाता है, अगर वो पुराना वाला सीखना चाहे तो. अगर आप रह जाते हो कि मैं जो जानता हूँ वो राइट है और ये साला कल का बच्चा क्या सिखाएगा, तो मैं बोलता हूँ प्लीज चेंज दिस एटीट्यूड. कल का बच्चा आपको जो सिखाएगा वही आपका फ्यूचर है, उस पर आप पूरा ध्यान दो. सो आई थिंक it's very, very important to understand this. And like I said, we all have great teams. We should trust our teams. Most of them are more educated than us. Give them only sense of direction. Build in them the culture of the organization, which means tell them that always do the right thing. Because real estate, आप एक तरह से देखो तो आप सब बैंक हो. बैंक में आदमी जाके पैसा डालता है, वो पर्ची पे लिखा के जाता है कि लाख रुपया डाला, and he is very happy. आपके पास लोग आते हैं, मीन्स हमारे पास लोग आते हैं, वो करोड़ रुपए का चेक लिख के जाते हैं, और वो बेचारे वो क्या लेके जाते हैं सामने, तो पर्चे, पेपर हाथ में, और क्या है उसके पास. So I think just build this one thing into the minds of the people, that आप सब बैंक हो, और बैंक पे आपको जितना भरोसा है उतना आपके लोगों को आप पे भरोसा होना चाहिए. And I don't know if I've answered your question, but this is how I think. And I'm very respectful to every new developer, however big or small, who comes into the business. I keenly watch those. Like I said, I study history in terms of history of real estate developers. I try and figure out what went wrong. Sometimes they've done the right things, but they've gone wrong. So what really happened? Talk around to people. And I say the biggest knowledge or learning comes from our experiences. And over here, may I just add one request to everybody? Dekho, sometimes, we get cornered, and we are asked by certain very, let's put it, influential people about some other developer. And we believe कि तभी कुछ उसको खुश करने के लिए हम कुछ बोल देंगे तो हमारा अच्छा होगा. होता भी होगा. बट मैं आप सबसे एक दरखास्त कर सकता हूँ, एक रिक्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ. पहले हमारा भाई, means my fraternity brother is more important than that work at that point of time and that person at that point of time. Please believe me this. उसके बारे में कुछ भी गलत कहने के पहले, उससे अच्छा आपको सब, मैं क्या जानूं, मैं जानता भी नहीं उसको, या मैं बस इतना ही जानता हूं उसका. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm out of the way going and telling something, because अगर आप आपके लोगों का ध्यान नहीं रखोगे तो रिमेंबर, वो जब हिटलर ने when Hitler started becoming Hitler, वो एक बाय एक लोगों को तोड़ते गया. I don't want that to happen to any of us. And our industry somehow has this one, and I can share with you I'm on Credai National. आप देखेंगे, there is a lot more unity in developers outside of Mumbai and MMR region. आप मानोगे नहीं, एक आवाज पे, वो चाहे किसी के यहाँ पे इनकम टैक्स का रेड हो या कुछ हो, they don't stop the person from doing his work. Government has to do their work. We never interfere with the government, and rightly so. But they stand over there and they tell the person कि देखिए, हम 10 लोग बाहर खड़े हैं, आप आपका काम कीजिए, rightfully कीजिए, but अगर आपने कुछ गलती की तो आप इतना बस याद रखिए कि हम सब साथ में हैं. और हमारे यहाँ पे by nature हम शायद ज्यादा डरते हैं. हम शायद we don't want to, हमको किसी ने सिखा दिया है मारे सू ने मारू सू. I don't think that is the attitude we should have. I think we should stand with each other, and I would request you, stand with each other. आपकी ताकत, वो एक एक तार जोड़ के ही ताकत बढ़ती है. ऐसा नहीं कि tomorrow morning I expect कि सब साथ में आ जाओ, but आप में से ही 5, 10, 15, 20 अगर साथ में आ सको तो आओ. and make a strong bond with each other, and stay true to this one thing that I have told you. It's a request from my side.
Thank you, sir. Sir, Kiran Bhai had one question. Kiran Bhai, please.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Kiran.
You have explained so well. एक सिंपल आदमी सिंपल बिल्डर को मतलब एक बिल्डर को एकदम सिंपल वे में क्या करना चाहिए आपने सब कुछ समझा दिया. एक क्वेश्चन था, you had told about you had taken something about the flat read in old tenants about you had taken about old tenants in redevelopment. What I am asking that there are many stakeholders with us like purchasers, contractors, etc., salespersons. So in such a turbulent situation, how you manage that thing?
तो बड़े प्रॉब्लम्स इसलिए होते हैं बिकॉज आप उसको ब्लॉक्स में नहीं देख सकते हो. अगर आप हर इशू को, वो बोलते हैं ना, स्टार्ट डूइंग व्हाट इज पॉसिबल एंड वेरी सून यू विल डू व्हाट इज इम्पॉसिबल. तो जैसे बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम आपके सामने आ जाए एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व इट, लेट्स से यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व वन स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ इट, तो उसको तो सॉल्व कर दो. I don't know what your question was, but the way I respond to a very big problem is I try to solve what I can. और वो कहते हैं वो एक बाय एक आप सॉल्व करते जाओ तो सारा प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट्स ब्रेकिंग अप इनटू इट्स पार्ट्स एंड देन यू आर इन अ मच बेटर पोजीशन to solve it. So do what is possible and you will very soon do the impossible. With regards to redevelopment, if your question was how do you handle all of this, never forget where you started.
No.
Sir, his question, if you can repeat, sir, Kiran Bhai.
I'll repeat. It was not regarding redevelopment. Matlab, it's generally in the insights into management of all stakeholders' interest during such turbulent time. All stakeholders means all buyers, purchasers, contractors, your suppliers, everybody.
So okay, let's answer that question quite simply. Today, nobody knows what is happening, right? But everybody is talking to people, whether it is our Prime Minister, maybe he may not know exactly medicine and he may not know, but he asks the right people and then he communicates to the larger masses. I think it is our responsibility as leaders to, at this point of time, to the best of our understanding. I mean, now today we are all together out here. You ask me questions, maybe I internally you all can ask few questions. Whatever you all understand, that communicate to your people, whether it is your in-house teams, whether it is your external teams that you work with, your contractors, your redevelopment members. Go out and talk to them and say, look, there is a problem. We are not saying no. Don't say koi problem nahi hai, sab barabar hai. The problem is there. Go and tell them, look, I have a problem. I think this problem is much bigger than me. I'm sure you're also facing it. But please note that I'm standing right here and I plan to do the best I can to get out of this issue. And I think a lot of people will then come to you and give them an opportunity to speak. So ideally, I would like to ask you all questions, but seeing that it's almost 7 o'clock, I don't think I will. But my point is then let them also come out with solutions. And again, Vern Harnish, I had been for this talk by him. Vern Harnish is the person who's a very big management guru. He had started this organization called EO, which is Entrepreneurs Organization, which some of the largest businesses in the world, etc. The members are all heads of those businesses. He said, I write articles in the papers. So I have, let's say, 10,000 followers on Twitter or wherever. Every night I post the question out there. And every morning I get at least about 300, 400 responses. That is when I can formulate my thoughts and then come out with something. So I think there's a lot of strength and answers within us. If we are just humble enough or curious enough and let's put it this way, good enough to ask people, you will get answers. And sometimes when there is too much trouble, doesn't mean you have to move too fast. Sometimes moving slowly and doing what is right is more important than just trying to do it very, very fast. There is no answer beyond that I can offer you. Sorry, Kiran Bhai.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Kiran
sir.
Bhai. Harish Bhai, please.
Before ending this now, I'll just एक suggestion था सबकी ओर से from the panelists and everything. Mohan Bhai, you being a vice president at National Credai, and we all being in business of redevelopment. Redevelopment is only in Mumbai, Mohan Bhai. I think so, and small part somewhere else, but majorly in Mumbai. So what there is a feeling among the redevelopers that redevelopment is not being properly known at center. the kind of policies which are coming out, like GST, we have done a lot of seminars, we have been fighting since so long, but the key point is that thing is not going to center की GST redevelopment के लिए, जैसे कि परमानेंट ऑल्टरनेट एरिया के ऊपर भी जो टेनेंट्स का एग्जिस्टिंग एरिया है उसके ऊपर भी जीएसटी लगाया जा रहा है, डेवलपमेंट एग्रीमेंट के ऊपर भी जीएसटी लगाया जा रहा है, टीडीआर के ऊपर भी जीएसटी लगाया जा रहा है. ऑल दोज concepts are going on and एक clarity नहीं है कि because the point of payment is OC. So ये you being a vice president at National CREDAI, we request you to take this chapter, take this issue at a national level and get some solution immediately, sir. It's a real,
No.
real pain.
No. Thank you. आप मुझे बाहुबली मत बनाओ. I'll tell you the issue. Okay, and this you are absolutely right. ये redevelopment की जो issues है वो after communicating very clearly, we are still not able to convince, let's say, the people. And I'll tell you why. If you look at India as a market, okay, and if I was also the FM, or if I was, let's say, the officer concerned, I am trying to solve a large number of problems, not value-wise, but number-wise. Because I am sitting in the center, I have to worry about Bengal, I have to worry about Gujarat, I have to worry about Punjab, I have to worry about Kerala. So I have got to look at all of this. So if I can solve for the larger, and it happens in our own companies, if I can solve, let's say, 80% or 90% of the people's problem, वो 10% वाले को हम बोलते हैं ठीक है सोचेंगे करेंगे या we don't even understand their problem. So I am 100% in agreement with you, Bhai, and I as association I am times, but I same, let's say, feeling that you are facing right now of helplessness कि वो समझ, how do I say this, वो समझ के कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हैं because वो बोलते हैं अगर हम आपके लिए कुछ करेंगे तो बाकी सबका क्या होगा. And as a taxation or whatever, there is no pockets they can address कि हम आपके लिए ऐसा कर देंगे. Having said that, SRA में they have given a special concession. We don't pay GST on what portion of SRA we develop. Am I right on that?
So is there any other separate notification for SRA on GST?
No. Do you pay a GST on the SRA rehab portion?
So obviously they will come under that ambit because they are the redevelopment, let it be it SRA or be it private society, redevelopment will be considered redevelopment. Because the point of payment is OC. Till date, nobody has come across.
Right. Okay. Let me come back to you on that account. I think then what we have is a good chance as of right now, and we are over and above everything else pushing this forth. But taxation, as they say, even Einstein could not understand. Einstein was hopefully the smartest man that we've read about, and he said, if there's one thing I have never understood, it is income tax. So it is complicated. We can keep pushing. I think you all are doing the right thing. You all have already taken the help of Mr. Shetty Saab and some others, and put up the issue. I think this is a local problem. We will have to work out. We'll have to continue working on ways to kind of bring this issue up. And then we will have to use the best minds. So I can tell you, CREDAI MCHI is working with ELP. There are partners in this. And Mr. Jain out there is continuously drawing up some, how do I say this, paper or the other to kind of take forward to the center for this purpose. So I am also as hopeful as you that we get success. But as of right now, I have nothing more to offer you. And I can tell you it is not a shortcoming at the hands of CREDAI or for the shortage of effort on our part. I'm sorry, was I audible?
Yeah. So lastly, you had taken up the question to Shri Devendra Fadnavis, which was our request through MCHI. So once again, we request you to please help us.
I'm not only facing Wi-Fi problem, I'm also facing battery problem. Sorry, go on.
We just end it up. That lastly, that key jo problems are facing regularly in redevelopment. You took one question to Shri Devendra Fadnavis that this is it's a deathbed now, redevelopment. It's high time and we need all reduction in premiums, reduction in stamp duty. So as an association, we request you to always support us and be with us, and full-fledgedly we will require your help in coming out of all this. So we request your help at all the times.
No, I am one of you, and I am as affected or as concerned with the same issues that you all are concerned with. So wherever we go, we'll go together. Don't worry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Burman,
thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, Mohan bhai.
Whatever I have said,
I'll hand over to
let me
Chirag
remind you.
for. Yeah,
No, let me
go
once
on.
again remind everybody. Sorry, just let me remind everybody. Whatever I have said is only my views. Please take them for what they apply to you. Don't please use your own mind at all points of time. Thank you.
Chirag bhai for vote of thanks, please.
Yeah. Sir Bhavan bhai, sir, thank you so much for your talk, for your inspirational words. I think a lot of us aspire to be like you. And we are really thankful again that in times of these dark clouds, you've come as a ray of hope and ray of light for all the redevelopers, for us. And you've already changed a lot of people's mindset. I can see the chat here. Everyone is saying thank you for your words and inspiring us. Thank you so much. And to all the members and attendees, one important request that please join us tomorrow at 11 o'clock for the most important webinar with Chitore sir. Thank you so much.
Tomorrow we are having a webinar with Chitore sir. We request
What time?
Tomorrow
11 o'clock.
Okay, I don't promise you, but I'll try and join. Send me the details, Harish bhai.
Sure, I'll do that.
Thank you once again.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you all.